day 57. What have I made today? Well, we've implemented the reinforcement learning human feedback loop. So before, what we were doing is we had to type our prompts manually. Like if I go to this fresh mode I just created, we have to type this prompt manually. And this is not that useful, accurate even, because you have to explicitly state out all of the different rules, and it's just takes a while. But now with the reinforcement learning human feedback loop, we can basically learn from example and rapidly iterate on the examples the user gives to generate better and better prompts. So I'll show you guys an example. Let's say I was making a shopping list. So I was like, my shopping list for tomorrow is apples, bananas, pears, oranges, and grapes. As you can see, it just transcribed it like I said, right? But what if I wanted it to be a nice bullet pointed list? Well, let's say I make the correction. So this is the human feedback aspect I was talking about. And now what I do is I just reselect this text and use the retrain hotkey. So I just set it to double shift. Click that. And you'll see we got that green pulse on the Breeze ambient pill. That means it's done the retraining. So what it should do is we should have an updated prompt now with the new rule implemented. If I go over to here, you can see we've got this new formatting rule. And we've also got an example here. It's pretty nice. And how it works is when you click retrain, we pass in the raw text, the old formatted text, and the new user corrected text, pass that into an LLM prompt, and we extract the rule and an example, and then we use that to update this prompt injection, which is how we change, it's how we format the raw text, right? So let's see if it actually updated. Now I'll do a different transcription. Let's say my favorite places are San Francisco, Orpington, and London. And now you can see we've got the list formatted just how we wanted, and it basically learned from the previous example we gave it. So that's nice. The other thing I added today was a competitions page for future growth. So if we go over to the Breeze website, you can see there's now a competitions page, and the idea is we'll be able to create competitions and hopefully drive some growth, perhaps by giving out prizes to winners. So I just created this test competition, and if we click on view leaderboard, you can see no one's in the competition right now. I can join the challenge. Let's just say RESK and select my platform. I'll just do Mac OS, and then you can see I've joined. I'm currently in first place because no one else is in the competition. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Hopefully we can use this to drive some growth in the future. And yeah, you can also see I added this time save feature yesterday. It's pretty cool as well. So thanks for watching.